Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. We just arrived about an hour ago to Marshfield, Missouri at the Ozarks Homestead Expo. This is our first year here and so far, good stuff.
Yeah.
It's going to be big.
It's going to be really big. There's going to be a lot of vendors. Hope to see you all here. Come see us at our booth.
We had a wild and crazy ride here. Wasn't really sure if we were going to make it.
Yeah.
But
our RV was acting up the whole time, so
it was pretty sketchy a couple times.
we should have filmed all that, but my nerves are too shot, so nope, we didn't get the camera out.
Say hi, Charlotte.
Hi.
We brought the whole family, all the kids and the grandbaby.
Today's Thursday, right?
Yeah.
So we're setting up today, getting everything organized and ready for tomorrow morning bright and early.
We brought a whole bunch of microgreen grow kits. We brought our knives, brought tons of seeds. So if you're at the expo, come see us. Stop by the booth, say hi.
We also brought my course book.
Oh, that's right.
So if you want to start your own microgreens business, hopefully there'll be a lot of people interested in that here. I think there will be.
If there's not a microgreens grower in your town or your county, there needs to be.
Come see us.
Come see us. We'll hook you up with a book. You can start growing microgreens for your community.
You ready? Starting to warm up. We made it.
I'm sweating. We're gonna get this
We
rolling.
got our shoes off. Okay, we're gonna get set up here and I don't know, we're gonna film the whole weekend with you guys. This may be a series of videos, so we'll see how that works out.
Peace.
Okay. Alright guys, it's day one of the Ozarks Homestead Expo. We are here and ready to go. They just let the VIP people in about an hour ago, so everybody's walking around, checking out all the vendor booths and just chatting away. So it looks a little rainy, so I hope the rain kind of stays away. It's a little chilly this morning, but we're all set up, we're ready to go and ready to have a good day. I think Gavin's going to take the camera around and show you guys some of the booths. Yeah? Yes.
Salad mix over there, and we have. Let me see that one, yeah. You have to try this.
Need some water a little bit.
Yeah, it needs water. These are sunflowers.
Morning, guys. It is day 2 of the Ozarks Homestead Expo, and it's super early.
I'm exhausted.
So we spoke with tons of people yesterday, made some good connections, seen some people that we knew. We even had a lady that was already carrying our microgreens tote bag from previous conferences that we've met her at.
Yeah, that was cool.
Yeah, that was cool. Lots of great vendors there. It was kind of hard for us to get away from our vendor booth to go venture out and see what else was there. But the kids, of course, always had a great time with their friends running around, spending our money.
Now that we've been to several of these conferences, there's kind of regulars that attend all of them. So it's kind of neat that we've seen them at like Okie Homestead, or we've seen them at Doug and Stacy's conference, and we see them here and just kind of like catching up with friends. They stop by the booth and talk about kind of what they added to their homestead, or how they changed their lifestyle after the last conference. So it's kind of neat. Yeah,
we had a ton of conversations like that. New people that we've met, just talking about what they have on their homestead and things that they are interested in adding, like he said. But so new people and old people that we've seen and talked to. So spoke with old friends that update us on how things are going, and then just making new friends and seeing how everybody kind of does things the same but also different.
Yeah.
It's very cool.
We're just going to try to attend a bunch of these conferences. A couple weeks from now we're going to try the vegan conference and kind of see what works well for us, and just find the conferences that work best for what we offer. Yeah. And just make those kind of regulars every year, I guess.
Yeah, so if you guys have a big conference in your area and you would like to see us there, please leave a comment below where you guys are at, where you're located, what the conference is, and we'll check it out. Hopefully make it that way.
Yeah, we'll come see you.
It's been really fun traveling all over. Our next trip is going to be the longest.
Yeah, for sure.
To Minnesota.
Yeah, it's like 8.5 hour trip.
Yeah, it's always fun though. So we're gonna try to wake up.
I need some coffee.
Get things going. Of course, the vendors get there super early to get their stuff ready, and have time to kind of shop around too. But we have some friends that are actually set up right next to us. It worked out so well. So it's nice to have, and it's so fun because no matter where we're at and the vendors that we set up next to, we always have a really good time.
Yeah, we always end up making connections and being friends with those people by the end of the weekend.
Fun. So, where we were staying isn't too far from the fairground, so we're almost there, maybe a 5-minute drive. The Ozarks area is just beautiful.
Very pretty.
Oh, you can't see me. Did have an interesting ride here.
Oh.
Should we talk about that for a different video?
Hopefully it's not an interesting ride back home.
Yes, it was a wild ride here. Kind of exhausting. So we were almost exhausted before we even started.
There's some kind of a fuel issue with the RV that once we get back home, we're going to have to get checked out. So, because
anyway,
in 2 weeks we depart for Minnesota, and we're not going unless we have it fixed.
Yeah. So we'll try to, it's always so hard. I know we always get excited. We want to video everything for you guys and take you along. But once we get here, it's just nonstop the whole time. So it's hard to stop and take a video, because usually when we stop, we have to go to the bathroom or, something like that. But,
hey, babe. I missed a turn. I'm going to need some direct GPS.
Okay.
I'm going to have to turn around. I know I've went way too far.
Welcome to our life.
I've drove here like 3 times. I thought I could just navigate it by memory, but none of this looks familiar. And we've been in the car way too long already.
Oh. We only drove 2 minutes out of the way. Not really 2 minutes out of the way.
She's a wild woman today.
All right, we'll do our best to kind of capture some things today. But we'll see how it goes. I hope today's going to be even busier than yesterday. I think unfortunately, we didn't get away to see any of the speakers. That's the bad part about being on the other side of these conferences now. You don't get to listen to all the great speakers, but I am super interested about speaking next year at the Ozarks, so I'm going to see if I can make that happen.
Heck yeah.
Yeah. And then you're going to, there's actually one that you want to make sure you go to this morning?
This morning there's a, so in a number of years, we'll be selling out and leaving Illinois, hopefully. So in our next house, I want to build with all natural materials as much as possible. And there's a demo they're doing this morning at 8:30. It's natural building material. So I'm going to sneak away from the booth and go check that out.
All right, guys, we're almost here. See you a little later.